Okay, this is just a quick product review to see if slime works. This is the same slime they sell at Tractor Supply store, and this is a very small tire on a snapper rear rider, one of the smaller rider mowers. The slime comes with the tool you need to remove the needle valve. This is the tool here, so you just turn it, and then you just pull out the needle valve. So as you can see, let me show you, pull out the needle valve, which is right there. So that's a close-up of the tool and the needle valve. You can see, if you look carefully, how the tool connects. The hose comes out of the bottle, goes into the tip like that. You then put it over top, and then you just squeeze it in. It's a small tire, so I'm not going to need too much. Okay, so that should be enough. Remove the tube. Place the needle back in and just turn until it's tight. Now we're going to put air in, see if it holds up. Okay, I'm going to put 30 pounds of pressure in it. Okay, we're just a hair below 30. I'm going to rotate this tire a little bit to try to work it around. I'm going to spin the tire, rotate it, shake it up, and we are going to keep a watch on this. I will update you and let you know how it's holding up. Just going to rotate it. Whoa, now. Whoa. Okay, we're at 30 pounds. Notice where the needle is. Okay, so it's been 1 hour and we are still holding the pressure. So far, so good. Okay, so it's been over a week now, and the green slime is working great. I still have pressure in both tires. Let me show you the other tire. Okay, so here's the other tire. It also has good pressure. Let's take a quick reading. Okay, so tire 1 is just under 30. It lost a little bit of pressure, but not much. Let's check the other tire. Okay, tire 2 has lost the same amount of pressure. Not much, couple pounds. Okay, it's been 2 weeks now since I put the green slime in. I'm just going to do another test real quick and see what we get. Remember, we were at 30 pounds of pressure. Okay, so I'm still 2 pounds down, but I mean, I think that's pretty good. Okay, so the other wheel is also holding at 30 pounds. Roughly 28 pounds. It's lost 2 as well. So both pressures are equal. So honestly, I'm not sure if I might be losing air pressure just naturally at this point. So, you know, if you had a brand new tire, it might lose the same amount. So I'm pretty happy with it. So it's holding steady now. So I would say overall it worked. And you know, my only warning is for those who would like to resurface one of these tires, I wouldn't recommend it. I mean, for me, these wheels are old and they're throwaways. I mean, if I have to, I'll buy a new wheel and tire. I was just trying this out because I really don't care about the wheel. And so if you want to put an inner tube in, or you want to put a new tire on, I wouldn't recommend this. This is more if you're someone that's busy, you don't have time to fool around, you throw the slime in, it runs another year, and you can buy a new wheel some other time. That's what it's for. So far, so good. It's holding pressure. I don't have to add any more air. I'm very happy. I'm just going to keep running this tractor and not worry about it. So, I'm pretty happy with the green slime. Alright, well, thanks for watching.